All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. In today's video, we're discussing L'Adone Parfums. This is a niche fragrance house that specializes in luxury, exotic fragrances. Now, L'Adone Parfum fragrances are pretty exclusive and pretty difficult to get your hands a hold of stateside. So, with that being said, shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Luxury Scent Box, for hooking us up and putting us on to this special house. I'll be sure to link all that information below, because if you like what you hear about these two fragrances today, purchasing through Luxury Scent Box will be the most cost-effective way to get your nose on it. So now that we got all that legal mumbo jumbo out the way, let me tell you about this fragrance house today. Now, I won't delve too much into this, but I believe it will be beneficial for you guys to at least have a working understanding about this fragrance house. Now, L'Adone Parfums is a Swiss fragrance company that is produced in France, and their sole goal in this world of fragrances is to produce fragrance masterpieces. But have they done it? The two fragrances that I have for you today come from L'Adone Parfums Elenya line, and that's Elenya Azure and Elenya Gold. Now, I do not have the official presentation. Again, these came from my people over at Luxury Scent Box. So, if I can find the actual bottles, I will place a picture here. But very short, just in case you guys are familiar with Nasamato, it's very similar to the presentation, at least the bottle of Nasamato. Now, I've been testing these two fragrances for a few weeks now, and Elenya Azure has not only been my favorite, but my family's favorite as well. Now, Elenya Azure is this oriental woody fragrance composition, and man, this one performs well on skin. This one has notes of leather, tobacco, oud. You have rose in this one. Man, this one is a nice fragrance. I believe they did a great job on this one. In addition to having some great depth in this one also has a spicy nuance about it, and it's a darker fragrance, man. I tend to like it. I told you guys my wife likes darker fragrances as well. I did some testing on these when I sprayed them on these test strips, placed them down for a while. I knew what was on each, and actually I wrote it out. I had my wife smell both. She thoroughly enjoyed this one. I had my 12-year-old, hey man, come smell it, see which one you like best. And even my 5-year-old enjoyed this one the most. They're both great fragrances, but this one, man, this Elenya Azure is a nice fragrance, man. I really appreciate this one. If you were looking to pick this one up, I would say this would definitely be more so of a fall and winter type fragrance, maybe more for the night as well. I did wear this one to work just to see how it performed. I did get one compliment with it, and I only wore this one to work once. Most of my testing was done at home, but I thoroughly enjoyed this one. Make sure you guys check it out. If you're looking to try out this line, this is definitely one that you should try. Now, I only have 2 of these fragrances. Out of the Elenya line, from them, they have 9 fragrances available, and I have these 2 here. And again, the second fragrance that I have from them is Elenya Gold. Now, this one is supposed to be strong. It's supposed to be strong and powerful. If you think about gold, at least their mindset behind this one is to make it for the kings and the gods, as gold is a very, very powerful statement of power. Like gold, Elenya Gold is a bright, shining fragrance. It's still powerful in beast mode like Elenya Azure, but this one is a bit more brighter. This one is classified as an oriental floral. Like Elenya Azure, this one opens up with bergamot. You have lemon blossom. You also get coconut and sandalwood in this one as well. I enjoy it. These are all unisex fragrances, but neither one of these lean more feminine to me. I believe that a woman can pull this one off seamlessly. I believe a man can do it as well, and that is extremely difficult to do in fragrances, as I just talked about that one not too long ago. In addition to those notes, this one closes out with some vetiver and iris as well. Now, here's another great thing about L'Adone fragrances is they are 100% animal cruelty free, and they never ever use harmful chemicals in their products. I know some of you guys out there, that's important to you, and so I figured I'll let you know. As you guys know, I've been talking about Luxury Scent Box for a while. They've been down with the channel for a while. As you guys may or may not know, they have some of the largest fragrance vials in the game. This one is a 9 ml vial versus the 8 and the 7 that you get from the competitors. If you're looking to get it, it's $15 a month, but I have a coupon code, Big Beard Business, to get you $5 off of your first month. Now, because I'm the guy that I am, right now, at the time of this video, they have a discount code on their site, which is LUXSB, as in scent box. Luxury SB, it gets you 35% off of your first month, which is much greater than the $5 that I can get you. So make sure that you utilize that code. I don't care which code you use, I just want you to get the best pricing. I'll link them both below. I do not know when the other one expires, but I do know that the Big Beard Business is a standing code, so I'll link both of them below. Use which one you will. If the 35% off is still available, then use that one. Tell them I sent you. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we all back again. Hit the goddamn bell.